Welcome back to today's video, and I am not gonna lie, I'm sitting here, I'm like, what color theme are you filming for today? Because I'm in the process of filming 3 different color themes at the moment, so I don't know. I'm feeling a little colorful, so this is either going to be for colorful week or black theme, which is aka colorful theme because I ain't wearing no black makeup. So most likely I think I'm going to lean towards black because I don't have an outfit picked out for colorful theme because I like to color coordinate. And in black I can just be a little, you know, freestyle with it. I can just do whatever with my makeup and then just put on a black dress, you know. So I think I'm going to lean towards black today. So this is another look for black theme. Oh gosh, y'all, it's been a crazy week. I don't know how long it's going to take for y'all to see this video, but it's been a crazy week. So right now I'm just adding my brow bone highlight, which is the shade by Ulta. It's just called Buzzword, and I like to set the concealer areas underneath my eyebrow, and it helps the blending when I do my crease and stuff. So I'm just going in and applying that like so. Make sure everything is pretty much dry and damp in that area. And then I actually pulled out a couple palettes on my desk, and I think I decided to go in with these GLAMLITE palettes. So I have the Martini, or what is these called? Happy Hour palettes. So I have the wine palette, and then I have MARGARITA. Yes, never used this one before. I don't know why, because it's pink. So when you look at it, you're like, oh, it's gonna definitely be like a pink color theme because that's what they did for the other ones. No, it's like a colorful one. This one is very colorful, and I did not know that until I picked it up today. And I was like, ooh, I really want to play with this palette today. And then I used this one already, and this one is just a beautiful purple shade palette with a little bit of blues. Not really a lot, but it's like maybe 1 or 2 shades of a wannabe blue in here. So that's what I am leaning towards. Oh, some blue in here too, and some greens. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm out of breath. Pregnancy is at 10,000. Let's zoom in. Alright, so I'm going to start off with wine. And I want to go pretty dark with this color palette because I'm just feeling very darkish. So I think I'm going to go in with this dark purple and then maybe blend it out with the shade right here. So let's take a little bit of vintage. Okay, so I did blend this eye off camera because I wanted to see the 2 colors that I picked out. Did I pick out some good shades? And it did take some time for me to blend this out, but it's still a decent shade. So I'm going to go in with Pour It Up, which is that purple that I showed you guys. This one right here. So I'm just going to take my time with this because you really got to take your time and blend out this dark purple, being that it's such a really harsh dark purple. So I'm just taking my time and I am blending out this color. Alright, so I did cut my crease off camera. I'm going to move along and go in with the Martini palette. I want to go with some shimmers on my lid. So I'm going to go in. Oh my god, I just dug my nail. Oh, this is a pretty color. I want to go in with this shade right here. You can see my nail print. It's a really pretty green color. Let's see what it's giving. I'm actually going to apply this a little damp. This green is so vibrant. Okay, where do I go next? Let's go in with this blue shade right here. I think I do notice that this palette in particular has a lot more metallic shades than mattes. I didn't mean to put it for the remaining part of my lid. I got a little too happy with this eyeshadow, so I guess this is it for the lid color because I didn't pretty much almost applied it all over. I did notice on certain places on my lid with these metallic, being that I am applying these a little bit damp, they are getting a little chunky. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So hopefully I can blend that out. Yeah, definitely be careful on applying these wet. They leave like little thick chunk of marks, you know, on the lid. I'm just making sure that I blend out the green and this beautiful blue together. And then I'm gonna go back in with the wine palette. I'm gonna go in with that deep purple. I'm just gonna apply that towards the outer really quick. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the same shade that's in my crease, just to help blend out the outer part. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel like my camera is not giving its justice. I'm probably gonna have to insert like my phone footage because I feel like my phone shows up better quality when it's in this type of lighting. Let me see if I turn my light off. Maybe y'all can see that a little better. Okay, there we go. This is like the true color of it. So pretty. So I'm just gonna do my face really quick, pop on liner. I'm not gonna do my lashes yet because I wanna do something creative at the bottom. I wanna do like a color pencil inside my waterline. So I'll be right back with half of my face done. So now for my waterline, I'm gonna be going in with this pretty like lime green pencil by ColourPop. And I'm just gonna place this in my waterline. And then for my bottom lash line, I'm just gonna go in with that same dark purple, which is vintage, and I'm just gonna pop it on my bottom lash line. So being that I already applied that green liner, is definitely going to brighten up that line, and being that I'm applying such a dark color. And then for that inner, I'm definitely want to matte it out, being that I have so many metallic shades on the lid. I am going to go in with this pretty matte green right here. And I do have a little bit of my glitter glue, so it is going to make this a little bit more vibrant. And I'm just going to place it right in my inner. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to, I was going to go for my blush, but let me focus on lips first. I did want to do like a nude lip, but I am leaning towards a nude pink. I don't know. And I also got this new Stila lipstick. This is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Patina, and it's a really pretty like nude pink color. So I kind of get like both the best for, you know, my nude and my pink, so I'm like, why not? Let's give this one a try. But before I go in with that, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner. Where my lip liner at? So I'm gonna go in with my NYX pencil. Now I'm going in with that Stila lipstick. You already know what's next. Juicy! And then I'm going to add a little bit of like holographic effects. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop. And now for the blush, this is where it gets trickier. This is where it's going to take the look to a whole another level. I never go simple with my blush, so why start today? Because I was thinking about it, but I was like, girl, no you're not. So I'm going to go in with the Hank and Henry blush palette. The shade I think I want to lean towards, being that I did pink on my lips, let's do pink as well for the blush. This one right here. And then I'm going to highlight with the Michaela GLAMLITE highlighter. This pretty frosty, like white colored one. Alright, my love, so this completes the look. Very, very, very much so colorful. I'm definitely getting, I was about to say peacock vibes, but these are peacock colors. I'm not quite sure. But the lip combo, y'all, ooh, this lip combo is giving me my life. The whole everything is giving me my life. So this is definitely a look that was presentable for a black outfit. So really quick for the dress. My dress is very simple today. The original outfit that I had planned for it, it didn't look right, so it's definitely going to be a return, because it's like one of those little dresses, but then you like, it wraps around the belly, and it just wasn't going with, no, it just was a no for me. And I even felt like even after being pregnant, I don't think this dress is still going to work for me at all. So this is what we got going on, just a simple black dress, and I feel like all of my black outfits are going to be simple. It's just all about the makeup making the outfit look presentable and put together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look with the outfit, of course. And if you guys happen to try this look out, tag me on one of my social networks. Of course, leave me your feedback down at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about everything, okay? And of course, I'll see you guys on my next upload for another black on black color theme. I don't even know what this series is gonna call. Black on black colorful. Black on black colorful. Black lagoon color. I don't know. Okay. I'll see y'all on my next one. I hope you guys enjoy this one. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed. Stay amazing. Until next time.